Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have my daughter Lavender with me. We're gonna open a box from e.l.f. So,
I'm gonna open it?
yep. I think there's only like one thing in there for me.
For you?
Pull it this way.
Why?
Because it has these perforated things there. Opens. It's a whole gift.
Yeah, really. Whoa. Why
What's
is the box
inside?
so big?
I know.
Ooh, yeah.
A sneak peek.
This is what's inside.
It's the receipts.
Happy.
This is mine, that's yours.
Wait, one's mine?
Yeah, that whole thing is yours.
Oh my god,
And just
it's
this
all
little thing is mine.
It's all the hand.
Just this little thing is mine. And all these. The cat's probably gonna play in them now.
What's in this? Pure. No.
Puff Puff Primer.
Yeah, there you go.
All the face oil. It's a skin hit kit. It's a happy hydration kit from e.l.f. That has cannabis sativa in it.
Ooh, bomb. Ooh, bomb. I want it right now.
Is this the bomb? The happy hydration cream?
No, I want this. There's the bomb right here.
Cool.
It says calm bomb.
Nice.
I can't open it though.
I know that
Michael, no!
Glam Glow sells the same kind of thing with the sativa cream, but this is like a more steadier cream. It's not as liquidy. You can hold it upside down and nothing will fall out. Unlike my Glam Glow where it all fell out onto the ground.
Really?
Yeah.
They're just the cream?
Yeah, it just spilled out. So, doesn't smell like weed. Be cool if it did though. Have your whole face smell like weed.
Oh, we get high from just smelling it. No.
People be like, why do you smell like weed? It's my face oil. Yay, now you have your own.
What the crap?
Mm.
Where did that go? They're eating that.
So we have the same little thing, but you got the whole kit.
Ooh, hydration.
Can you feel it hydrating your lips already?
Yeah.
No, it's just for you.
Okay.
We are going to start doing a Ipsy versus Ipsy. She's going to start getting an Ipsy bag, and we're going to see what a 17-year-old's Ipsy gets compared to a 42-year-old Ipsy gets. So stay tuned for that. Oh, I think it'll be really different. I think mine will be makeup or skincare heavy because I'm old, mature face, and you got young, plump skin, so they'll probably give her lots of makeup and stuff like that. So in November, we're going to start doing that. So this is my daughter, Lavender. Say hi, Lavi.
Hi.
This is her hair.
Yeah. No, wait, the hat was casting a shadow.
Oh. She shaved her head. It was fun. I wanted to video it, but she wouldn't let me.
Fun. Dude, I was literally crying the whole time.
Yeah, she didn't want to cry on screen, so she wouldn't let me film it. It was sarcastically fun.
Yeah, sure.
It's fun now.
Yeah, I guess. Having a bald head swim.
Okay, thanks for hanging out with us. That's what we got in our e.l.f. Happy Hydration Kit. So, see ya in the next video. Bye!
Bye.
Want to show them your kit? Gonna have to hold it up there.
It's pretty.
The Skin Hit Kit.
Is it upside down? Yes.
Nah.
Wait. The stuff inside is backwards, upside down.
You put it in wrong?
I did.
You'd probably be taking it out anyways.
Yeah.
Hemp-derived cannabis
Skin.
sativa skincare kit.
Skin hit kit.
And you get a full-size lip balm, travel-size face oil, primer, and face cream.
Nice. Oh, he's playing with it.
See you guys in my next video. Bye!